With just seconds between each stop, it's difficult to imagine that London's tube stations can sometimes be miles apart. But Transport for London, TfL, has revealed a geographically accurate map of the underground network, with a surprising distance between many iconic platforms. The historic Metropolitan line is home to the most distant stations of all, with a near 4-mile stretch between Chesham and Chalfont and Latimer. Chesham is also the furthest stop from central London, often taking more than 70 minutes to get there from the city's bustling Waterloo station. Although TfL's 2014 map does not show most recent changes, including the Elizabeth Line, Battersea Power Station, and 9 Elms, it is the most up-to-date outline of its geography. Its release came almost 90 years after the simplistic, yet world-famous tube map was drawn up by Harry Beck. Beck was an electrical draftsman who based the underground map on the circuit drawings used in his day job, rather than focusing on geography. TfL said, Beck's map was initially rejected by the publicity department because it was considered too radical, but a successful trial print run showed that it was just what the public wanted. The result was an instantly clear and comprehensible chart that would become an essential guide to London, and a template for transport maps the world over. To this day, millions of passengers use Beck's map to navigate the city, albeit with a few modifications and additions here and there. But even still, many have been curious to know the true distance between the capital's iconic landmarks, which are not clearly represented. As of now, TfL says its longest direct journey is between Epping and West Ruislip on the Central Line, with 34 miles between them. On the flip side, Leicester Square and Covent Garden are the closest stations across the network, separated by just 524 ft, 160 meters. Meanwhile, My London claims the journey between Queen's Park and Kensal Green is the longest ride between 2 consecutive stops on the Bakerloo line. For the Northern Line, this was a trip from Hampstead to Golders Green, while Finsbury Park to Seven Sisters reportedly takes the most time on the Victoria Line.